Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I was trying new recipe chicken ginger, so I thought I should make a video. Here I'm taking 3 tablespoons of yogurt, then Shan Masala chicken ginger. Mix it well, and then I'm gonna put chicken in it, properly marinate it, and I'm gonna put it on the side for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm gonna cut my vegetables, and I'm gonna start with onion, one medium-sized onion. Chop it well, nicely, and after that, we're gonna use our one tomato and chop that as well. You don't have to make paste, you just have to like chop them nicely. And then I'm gonna cut my ginger julienne cutting. Then I'm gonna take peppers, cut them long, half, and we're done with these. Now I'm gonna cut my fresh cilantro, chop it nicely, and now we're gonna start cooking. Half cup cooking oil, then we're gonna add some onions, cook onion for like few minutes, and when they start changing their color, we're gonna put some tomatoes, our chopped tomatoes, right about now. Mix them well, and when they're gonna separate, oil separates, we're gonna put chicken in it. When we get my chicken, I'm gonna put chicken, and then I'm gonna stir fry chicken for about 5 minutes. It should change the color nicely. The color is changed now, so I'm gonna put half cup of water, and then I'm gonna cover it for 15 minutes until they're tender. Mix it properly, add my peppers and my ginger, mix it, stir fry it again for 4 minutes. And here I'm going to actually use some 3 tablespoons of butter, melted butter in it. Cook about like 2-3 minutes again. Stir fry on high flame. And then lastly, I'm gonna put my fresh cilantro in it. And it's done, guys. Thank you.